Hi. Do you have a SIM card you use for testing, but now you need an eSIM profile to test with? Do you want to avoid the complex and time-consuming process of creating an eSIM profile from scratch? You are able to convert the content of your SIM card into an eSIM profile with the right tools. In this video, I will show you how you can do this. We have created also a training video which guides you through the whole process with all the details you need to know. So let's start. The first step is to scan the content of your SIM card. You need to insert the SIM card into a card reader and use an appropriate tool like Comprion File Tree Express to scan the file tree. Then you need to save the scanned content. You need to delete those proprietary files which are SIM card specific. More details about those files which need to be deleted is shared in the training video. Now you need to open the Profile Creator tool and create the framework of the new eSIM profile by creating a profile header and a footer. In the profile header, you need to define the profile version you want to use, the profile features to be supported, and some other parameters. All the details are shown in the training video. After the profile framework is created, you need to convert the scanned content into the eSIM profile format and import it into your new profile. Comprion eUICC Profile Creator tool does this conversion automatically when importing the scanned content. It may happen that the important content and the profile framework are not 100% compatible. For example, some parameters are missing. Comprion eUICC Profile Creator has a built-in validator feature which helps you to detect and fix these issues. Then you need to create the PIN and PAC codes. Also, you need to set the PIN values. In this step, you need to create a profile element that contains authentication parameters. Also, you need to set the values for these parameters. After this, you need to create an MNO security domain, which is a mandatory element of an eSIM profile. Security domains are complex structures with lots of parameters and keys. The eUICC Profile Creator offers you the possibility to use a template by which you can save time and effort when creating a security domain. Optionally, you can create a profile element which contains remote file management parameters. This is needed if you want to modify the content of your profile later over the air. At the end of the profile creation, you need to look at the whole profile and check if there are any inconsistencies, missing parameters, invalid values in the profile. For this, you can use the built-in validator tool in the Comprion eUICC Profile Creator. When you are ready with the profile, you can start to test it. Install your profile on an eUICC card and test that the installation is successful. For installing the profile, you can use Comprion eUICC Profile Manager. To validate your eSIM profile, you can compare the installed profile with the original SIM card content. For this, you may use the Compare feature of Comprion File Tree Express. Finally, if you also want to test the profile on a real mobile phone, you need to use a service like Comprion eSIM Test Profile Service to install the profile to a commercial phone. So, this was a short overview of the SIM eSIM profile conversion process. On this link, you can access a training video which guides you through the whole process in more details. I hope you will find these videos useful. Thank you for your attention.